Hello, this is Ken. I like making things. I enjoy being creative and love trying new tricks. My goal for this channel is to challenge myself and create fun stuff for myself. If you want to see me explore ideas and figure out ways to DIY a variety of stuff, click the subscribe button. Last week, I remade the Final Fantasy VII game cover on the original PlayStation using the Cloud Amiibo figure. Check it out if you haven't already. Today, I'm going to improve, upgrade, enhance this Goku Black figure so he can stand on a mini stage and look cooler with the others on my display. I will be using everyday basic tools and material, saving myself some money so I can spend it on my next figure. Hahaha. Goku Black is the main antagonist that kicked off the Goku Black arc. He's the first real villain for Dragon Ball Super. His reveal showed that he's identical to our hero Goku, except his goal is to get rid of all Ningen. As a corrupted god, he does not believe mortals should have a place in the universe. Future Trunks returned to the main timeline to ask for Goku and Vegeta's help, but Goku Black was just too powerful. He transcended into Super Saiyan Rose, and easily defeating our heroes again and again in Rose fashion. Before we start, let's have a look at the figure. Goku Black has a bit of swagger to him. His pink translucent hair looks amazing. Oh, for once, he doesn't look weird from this angle. The time ring and earring is a nice touch. So, can I make it? Now let's set the stage. My goal for this series is to give each figure a mini stage to amplify their personalities and recreate iconic moments. I want his set to complement Trunks, so when it's all finished they can be placed side by side. Goku Black and his little stage. This is going to be fun. First, let's prep the cutting mat. We are going to continue cutting this packaging cardboard that came with the furniture. I can't believe I am still cutting from this same piece. And then I am going to cut. And then cut. Perfect. That looks like a mini stage. Okay, let's see how Goku Black looks standing on it. He looks like he's ready to show off his godly form. Super Saiyan Rose and its godly majestic aura. Now for the background. I want to replicate the beautiful aura of Super Saiyan Rose. Unlike other Saiyan auras, this one has the sinister yet elegant look to it. It is a nice contrast against Super Saiyan Rage Trunks. To replicate that scene, I am going to modify Super Saiyan Trunks' background. I will need to change the aura and make sure the pink and purple is reflected in the scene. Yep. Here's it printed. Now I am going to trim the borders out. Cut. And more cut. Let's see how it looks on the cardboard. It's so beautiful. This may be my favorite aura. I am just going to use a regular glue stick to stick it on. No warpy background for me. Let's put Goku Black back on and have a look. Oh. The background is not upright. I am going to reinforce it with cardstock paper. Using glue stick again, because I don't want to ruin that beautiful background. White glue does warpy things to paper. I can't stop staring at this aura. I think I did an excellent job recreating the aura. Now let's complete the set. Ta-da! Wow! The figure by itself was nice, but this is the definition of perfect. No offense, Cell. I've done a couple of auras now, but this has got to be my favorite one so far. Let me know what you think. Also, check out the other Dragon Ball figures sets I built as well. Comparing to the original scene from the show, I think I captured the Super Saiyan Rose reveal quite accurately. I still can't take my eyes off that beautiful aura. Now let's compare him with his arch nemesis, Trunks. They look so good together. They complement each other so well. Like they are meant to be. One is more explosive and destructive, with a hint of hope. The other is smirking and oozing with this clean yet dark energy. It's like they are mirroring each other. Now here's the final product. He looks like Goku's evil doppelganger. Especially with the sinister-looking aura. This mini-stage is very simple. But it's one of my favorite. If you like what I've done, please share this video and give this a like. Subscribe if you want to see me upgrade more figures. I can make it, so can you.
Last time on Dragon Ball Super, Goku Black and Zamasu cannot be stopped. Goku Black just keeps getting stronger and stronger. What is happening? A new transformation. Is this the end for our heroes? Goku Black and his mini stage now available, batteries not included.